Good morning students, welcome back to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Students, we have already covered one of our topic in detail, that is life in the deserts. We have studied firstly what are deserts. Deserts are the arid plains where it became very difficult for the human beings to survive, or we can say to lead a comfortable life. So in this chapter, we have studied about two types of deserts. First one is regarding the hot desert, that is the Sahara, and second one is regarding the cold desert, that is the Ladakh. In this topic or in this session, we are going to cover our topic, the hot desert, the Sahara. So let's have a look. First of all, we will discuss about the area. So the total area of the hot desert, the Sahara, is approximately around 8.54 million square meter. Then if we talk about the location, then we will say that in case of the location, you can see here that it is present in the large part of North Africa. After that, it touches 11 countries. Now we will study about the other characteristics of this desert as well in detail. So let's just discuss them. Now we will discuss about the features. If we discuss or if we talk about the features of the Sahara desert, then what we observe? We observe that vast stretches of sands. That is, if you are going to visit there, you are going to see or observe sand everywhere, and that are gravel plains. You know, rocky surfaces, rocky lands are observed here, elevated plateaus. And after that, let's talk about the climate present or the climate observed in the Sahara desert. What we can say? We can say that extremely hot or scorching climate is present here. If we talk about the temperature, it's above 50 degrees Celsius. You see, we are living in the northern part of India, and when it just reaches to 25 degrees Celsius or 30 degrees Celsius, we just starting yelling that it's too hot, we are unable to survive. So you can just imagine here 50 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius and above that. So that means really scorching hot temperature, passing lag is present here. And on the other hand, if we talk about the rainy season, very short rainy season is observed here. And if we talk about the sky, it's always cloudless. When clouds are there in the sky, we always have a little bit smile on our faces, because we know that if clouds are there, we must accept that it will rain. But in the cloudless sky, people became hopeless because they know this thing that no rain is going to be there for them. Then if we talk about temperature, that I already discussed, that is above 40 degrees Celsius or near about 50 degrees Celsius. Now let's talk about the flora and fauna. Students, you know this thing very well. Whenever we talk about the life in the species, flora and fauna are something in which the life exists. So definitely you need appropriate temperature or appropriate surrounding to survive. So very little vegetation is present here, and very less number of animal species are observed here, like polar bear, you know, those who are having thick skin, or like we are talking here about the hot deserts, we can say about the camels who can adapt to that heat. Only those animals can be seen here. If we talk about vegetation, you heard about the cactus. Such sort of plants which need less availability of water are present here. Now let's discuss about the people who are present in the Sahara desert. Usually nomadic tribal groups. Who are nomadic tribal groups? Who used to migrate, who used to move from one place to another place, are found here in this desert. Very less number of people. In case of oasis area, you know, where the little bit availability of water is present, only in those areas little bit settled population is observed. Otherwise, mostly nomadical tribal groups are found here. And then the one of the most important thing is this forest is very much important from the point of view of minerals wealth, as minerals are present in this desert in huge quantity or in large quantity. Now if we talk about the developments, what we can say that from the past few time we observe this thing that development or modernization is taking place in these deserts, in the Sahara desert also. The traditional things are replaced by the modern one. The camels are replaced by the trucks. In fact, in the last topic I discussed regarding the tribal groups, earlier they used to travel from one place to another place via foot. Now they also started using caravans for themselves. Towers are getting built in here, mosques are getting built in here, and other cities. Slowly and slowly development or modernization is coming there in these deserts, and especially that in the Sahara desert. So in this video we are going to cover the Sahara desert. We almost covered all the points related to the topic. I hope you like the section, you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much students. Now we will meet in the next section. Till then, take care and stay safe all of you. Thank you.